Chicken biryani Pakistani-style. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 1 pound boneless chicken, cut into small pieces, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 2 medium onions, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 3 cups water, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro leaves, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, slit. Instructions: rinse the basmati rice in cold water until the water runs clear. Soak it in cold water for at least 30 minutes. In a large bowl, marinate the chicken with yogurt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, and salt to taste. Set aside for 30 minutes. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil over medium-high heat. Add the sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Add the cumin seeds, cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon stick, and bay leaf to the pot. Fry for a minute until fragrant. Add the ginger and garlic paste to the pot and fry for a minute until fragrant. Add the marinated chicken to the pot and fry for 5 to 7 minutes until browned. Add coriander powder, garam masala powder, and salt to taste. Fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the rice is coated with the spices. Add 3 cups of water to the pot and bring it to a boil. Lower the heat to low, cover the pot, and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is cooked and the liquid has been absorbed. Add the chopped cilantro leaves, mint leaves, and green chilies to the pot. Mix gently with a fork. Cover the pot and cook on low heat for another 5 to 7 minutes until the rice is fluffy and fully cooked. Serve hot with raita and papadums on the side. Enjoy your delicious Pakistani-style chicken biryani.